Here we go. This is my bike check right here for my customized Grape Soda replica. Okay, so overall, love this bike so far. Just got it back today. Haven't, my bad. Excuse me. I haven't rode it at all. Only in my basement. I only did a bunny hop and a stoppie, but I didn't allow it. Okay, so first, let me get to this. I have white Aaron Ross keyboard grips. I have the quick slick brake setup all throughout. I have animal bars right there. They're really nice. They're 9.75, yeah, 9.75. And then animal front load stem, animal headset, animal frame, 20.75 top tube, like all my other bikes. And then real nice. It just looks so sick. Animal forks with Aaron Ross Rossi tires. Rossi tires. Oh my god, sorry. With animal rims, purple, animal javelin hub, just purple spokes, I don't know what kind. Crown dice cap, because this is the king of all my other bikes, obviously. So basically this bike is so far great. That's all I have to say for right now. Okay, and moving on. Hold on. Get this set up. Oh yeah, running Shadow Conspiracy Little Ones pegs, white, to go with the Grape Soda theme. Alright, so the pedals are Shadow Conspiracy. The cranks are Sunday Thunderbolt cranks with an animal sprocket right here. Yeah, sprocket. With Aaron Ross white keyboard seat, animal seat post, and animal seat clamp. And then this quick slick brake thingy. The back thing in the back is exactly the same. Animal javelin, animal rim, Odyssey white tires. Really sweet tires. They look so clean on this bike. And then yeah, that's about it. So